Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. This is Flaky Fingers, bringing to you piano tutorials. And my name is Kingsley. On this channel, we talk about everything that relates to gospel piano tutorials for beginners and intermediates. So in today's lesson, we want to talk about Joe Mettle's song. But before I get to that, I want to thank all of you for making us achieve 250 views on YouTube. I'm very grateful, and I know the sky is the limit. Thank you once again. So in today's tutorial, we'll be talking about, or we'll be breaking down the song Your Presence by Joe Mettle featuring Pastor Isaiah from the Recent Experience album in the key of A. But before we get right into the breakdown, if you are a new person on this channel, please, I would like you to hit that subscribe button down below this video and then hit the like button. Also, if you join the family, I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you for doing that for me. Now let's move right into the video. So as I rightly said, the video is in the key of A. Okay, so in the key of A, in the key of A is your 1, B is your 2, D flat is your 3, D is your 4, E is your 5, G flat is your 6, A flat is your 7, then you end on A again. Can be your 8 or your 1. Okay, so the song actually has an intro, a verse, a bridge, a chorus, and a bridge. Okay, so those are there. So it has almost like 4 patterns. So the intro is the same thing like the verse. The intro is the same thing as the verse. So if we learn the intro, we can play the verse. So let me play through the intro. It goes this way. That's all. Okay, so what I'm doing is that on the left, on the right, the first chord is E and B. Okay, E and B, E and B, and then I'm doing on the left is A flat, E, and G flat. Okay, so it's on your MIDI keyboard, so you can see it's on the video. And then the second chord is on the right is E and D flat, E and D flat, and on the left is D flat, A, and okay, D flat, A and B. These are it sounds. Then the last chord is, so on the right is D and G flat, D and G flat. Okay, and on the right is a normal 4 chord, which is so D flat chord, which is D, G flat, and E. Okay, so let me play through that side. So it goes this way. Okay, and then when they are coming back is on the right is D flat and G flat and D. Okay, G flat and D, and on the right is still the 4 chord. Okay, and then they still maintain the 4 chord and move to this chord. We've already learned it already. The E, D flat. Okay, then they come back to the 1 chord. So the 1 chord is on the right. I'm playing D flat, E, and E. Okay, and on the left I'm playing A, E, and then E. Okay, so let me play through the intro again. So it goes this way. Okay, so that's the thing. So when they are going back, when they are repeating the intro again, this is what they do. Now, then they hit this chord. So instead of we play this one now, we are playing it this way. So we are playing G, okay, G and D flat. G and D flat over the same left we learned, okay, over the same left. So this is it, okay, to the same chord we played. Then they come back again. Okay, so I'm playing the two variations. The other variation, okay. So that's it. That's the intro. And then now they move to the verse. So he goes to, we will never move until you lead the way. So that's how it is. So we will never move. So it starts on a one chord. We will never move. So I'm playing a one chord on the right, which is D flat, E, and A. And on the left is the normal lefts we already learned, A, E, and E. So we will never move. So we will never move. So then you back to the intro. The way we play the intro, that's how he moves it. Okay. We will never move until he moves to the four chord. So now the four chord is how we are playing it. We are playing a D at 9, which is D, E, D flat, G flat, and then E. Okay. And then the left is still D, G flat, and then A. Okay. So then they move back to the, so it goes this way. We will never move until you lead. Then they come back to 1. That's the one we played. Then they do this passing notes. That is, so on your left and right you can play it. So they do, which is B, D flat, B, D flat, B, D flat, then that is B, A, then they do a glide here, which is from E to G flat, okay, E to G flat. So let me do that part again. So it goes this way. We will never move until you lead the way. Then so when you glide on the E, G flat, then you hit the 4 chord on your left before they length the 4 chord on the left. You get it? So I'm doing the intro again. So we will never move until you lead the way. That's all. So there will be no decision until you lead the way. That's all. You can, and then they move to the chorus. If your presence doesn't lead us, then take us any further. We need your glory. Show us your glory. So they do a passing chord to the chorus. They do a passing chord to the chorus. So this is a passing chord. So on the right is B, F, A flat. So B, F, A flat. And on the left is just F and A flat. So this is the way it sounds. To the 6th chord, they do the passing chord to the 6th chord. Okay. So the 6th chord is, I'm voicing it this way. We have D flat, E, G flat, and then E. This is the way I'm voicing it. Sorry. And then you can, then on the left is G flat, E flat, D flat, and then G flat. Okay, so this is a 6 chord. So if your praises doesn't lead us, then we move to the 4 chord. Don't take us in. We've learned the 4 chord already. So on the right is D, E, G flat, A. On the left is D, G. If your praises doesn't lead us, don't take us any further. Then we move back to the 1 chord. Before they learned the 1 chord. Then they move to the show us your glory. So now the 5 chord. So the 5 chord on the right, I'm playing B, E. So it's B, E, G flat, and then B. So B, E, G flat, and then E. Okay, so I'm playing that whole side again. So if your praises doesn't lead us, then take us any further. We need your glory. Show us your glory. Okay, that's all. Then they move back to the verse and then come back. The bridge is the same thing like the chorus. So the bridge is, we need your glory. Show us your glory. We need your glory. Show us your glory. That's all. We need your glory. Show us your glory. We need your glory. Show us your glory. The same thing. Then now they move to the bridge 2. I'll call it the bridge 2. That's what they do. Come like a rushing. But before that, they do some intro there before they get to that bridge. So at that side, this is the way they play it. They play. So I'll play through. They play this way. So this is what they are doing. Sorry. So the first one is D flat and E. So they hit it. They hit it twice. They hit it twice. Okay. So D flat and E, and then B and A flat, then E and D flat. So that's the first one. So okay. So that one goes with the 6 chord on your left. So on the 6 chord you can do G flat and D flat, G flat and D flat. Okay. So and then they move to the 4 chord. On the 4 chord they do, that is A and G flat, A flat and E, and then D flat and E. So it goes this way. Then they move to the 1 chord and then they do, which is E and D flat, and then D and B, and then D flat and E. So you do this. Okay. Then they move to the 5 chord. Then they also play D and B, D flat and A. Then the last one is B and A flat. B and A flat. So all through it goes this way. Come like the rushing wind. It's like the chorus. Come like the rushing wind. Come like a rushing wind. Come like a rushing wind. In the passing chord. Come like a rushing wind. You can do that well. Come like a rushing wind. like a rushing wind. Come like a rushing wind. So that's the whole tutorial. That's the whole breakdown. It's a very powerful song, and I hope you are blessed by this video. If you are blessed by this video and you learned something out of this video, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and then the like button. And I also like to hear from you in the comment section. I'll link some videos at the description for you to follow. I have beginner lessons there and other song breakdowns. You can check them out. Thank you.